has made the family to remain one with unprecedented strong bonds. We appreciate and give honor to our late mothers and those that are still living, all of whom have contributed immensely and have been great assets to the success we are all celebrating today. You permit me to just ask our mothers that are still living to please rise for recognition. Mama Ye, Mama Owopo, Mama Ekudayo, we are grateful, ma, for all you have done for us as children, as grandchildren, and as family. We pray that God will continue to strengthen you and give you long life, long life and happiness and good. The equipments. Suffice to say that the film equipment and all the works of Ogunde are perfectly intact. That we will witness as we go to the museum. Hence, the need for a museum is inevitable. It is pertinent to state here that the museum we are gathered here to commission is the personal apartment of Hubert Ogunde himself, the building where he spent the last 10 years of his life, with all the compilation, arrangements, and expenses borne by the Ogunde family. I'm trying to emphasize this because the museum we will witness today has no contribution whatsoever to date from the government or from any parastatal or anybody. This, I believe, is a dream come true and a promise fulfilled, pledged during his 28th remembrance anniversary. The museum houses all Hubert Ogunde works, songs, pamphlets of his plays, costumes, drums, drama equipment, and personal effects. The 28th remembrance anniversary in 2010 was celebrated in grandeur with dances and a film show at Abeokuta. The family used this particular celebration to remind the public that Chief Hubert Ogunde was not only a theatre giant, but also a great musician with the launching of 95 soundtracks, which was compiled into 13 audio CDs. More so, to remember his admonitions, encouragements at the troubled times in the history of our great nation, Nigeria. His relentless fight against injustice and oppression of our people. Going through his songs, it was clear that Hubert Ogunde commented on virtually all significant social developments in Nigeria for about 50 years on stage. Our plea is directed to His Excellency through the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism. Our plea, we wish to remind His Excellency through you, while thanking God and the entire citizens of Ogun State for re-electing our amiable, hard-working governor, that the film village, a 30-acre land donated by Ogunde family and the people of Ososa, which used to be the envy of all and sundry, particularly those in the film industry, is now in ruins due to utter neglect, as the family could not keep it functional. We sincerely request and plead that government should assist us to resuscitate this film village first in Nigeria, so as to make it a tourist center of excellence that will promote African culture and Nigerian film industry in particular. Also, the promises made 25 years ago at the graveside oration, which was at the annual award featuring a special gong and 1,000 naira prize, which will be given to the best post-primary institution in the field of entertainment. We actually believe now we are in 2015. So if you are going to award anybody, definitely it can no longer be 1,000 naira. So we want to plead through the Honorable Commissioner that to please plead on behalf of the Ogunde family that they review this pledge and make it really worth the while. We plead that the award be renewed, reworked, and rejuvenated to meet the current status, bearing in mind that all these unfulfilled promises were not made by your administration. We have simply presented a status report to employ Your Excellency to help in fulfilling these promises. We also wish to remind Your Excellency that though the main theatre hall in the new ultra-modern state cultural complex in Abeokuta has been named Hubert Ogunde Theatre Hall, we however wish that the hall be upgraded to a worthy, efficient, and functional theatre hall. Not bothering you with too many requests, Your Excellency, we wish to personally plead that the bust purported to be that of Hubert Ogunde on the top floor in the State Hall of Fame in Abeokuta be replaced with a better and well-decorated work of art. We thank you for holding your first in Nigeria in memory of Nigerian theatre icon Chief Hubert Ogunde. Once again, I welcome you all and wish you all a fulfilling and before I get down, this speech will not be complete if I don't give the origin of my father. The origin of my name, because for him to know that the legacy that he left behind, the children has actually taken it up and we are taking it to greater heights. While I'm reading this, I want to call on all my brothers and sisters to join me on stage. Alayedashi, ikú olúdà òjijì fìrí, ọba rìn ilẹ̀ mìtìtì, ọba dálọ́rọ́ ní kẹ́rùbá tòtò, ọba ẹgbẹ́jìrẹ́ ìyàwó, ó gbòdì aṣọ pèlè mọ̀, ọba tímọ́tímọ́ bí ẹgún, ọba òsìkò rọ́gbọ́ òkìtì, ọba tó parasì bí ògiri, ọba ikú nọ́fẹ̀, ìdà nọ́fẹ̀, ẹ̀dọ̀ gbólúdàmúdà, àwòrán lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọ̀run, ọba rí fojú àṣà fẹ̀yìntì, aláyé lúwà ká àtọ́fẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ lúrè ayé àtọ́fẹ́ ayé lúrè ooo àtọ́fẹ́ àtọ́fẹ́ ooo ẹ̀yẹ lúrè ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ àtọ́fẹ́ olúwa tí ó bí gbogbo wa délé àjàdédé.
Ayé dúró ọ̀sẹ̀ rẹ̀ o.